Hey everybody, and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we are comparing two cutting-edge website builders, Framer versus Webflow. Both platforms offer advanced design features, but the question is, which one is the best for your needs? So we will break down the key differences from ease of use to design flexibility and customization to help you decide which builder suits your project. So let's begin. So Framer is a powerful design and prototyping tool that allows users to create interactive websites, mobile apps, and design prototypes. It is mostly used by designers, developers, and teams to build fully interactive, high-fidelity prototypes and websites with a focus on user experience or UX and visual design. If you're interested about the pricing for Framer, click this option right here and you would notice that the personal offers the mini at $5 per month. The basic is going to be around $15 and the pro, which is the most popular for Framer, is around $30. The business comes at startup for $75. The scale up is at 200, and the enterprise is something which is a big commitment. But before that, you might want to test waters and gauge if Framer is going to be the tool for you. Just click the sign up button here, and you would notice that now signing up here in Framer is a breeze. You can simply continue with your Google or your personal email, and then all you have to do is just follow the on-screen instructions. And then wait for it. As you can see, once you are inside the dashboard of Framer, you would notice that the design and prototyping is a little bit easier because users can now drag and drop websites or apps using an intuitive interface similar to other designs. For example, if you want some pages right here, click add to page. All right, it's loading. All right, allowing users to create interactive prototypes with transitions, animations, and complex interactions to simulate real user experiences. Now, on the layout section, you have all these options. You can put in text right here. CMS, can maybe add blog if you want. Right here, for example, getting started. Click that and click on publish. All right. You also have the option for the plugins, which gives you an option to integrate with third-party tools. You have all these options for you. All right. It supports APIs and third-party services, allowing designers to extend the functionality of their project. If you go again to the main page right here, all right, you can have now an option to publish this blog as part of the adaptive layout that scale appropriately for mobile, tablet, and desktop views. All right. Now you go here back again to the dashboard. You can also invite a member if you wanted. For example, if you're working with multiple freelancers and you're part of the web development team, you might want to invite them via email. The members are here. If you want, you can add a member. All right, and set the permission level to their comfort level. Now, we go now to our next contender, which is Webflow. It is a powerful web design and development platform that allows users to create responsive and visually stunning websites without needing to write code. It's an all-in-one tool that combines design, development, and hosting, making it popular among designers, marketers, and small businesses who want to control over their website without the complexity of traditional web development. If you click on the pricing right here, you would notice that the site plans gives a free trial, all right, which is good for those getting started with Webflow. The basic comes at $14 per month, and you have all these options. The CMS comes at $23 and have all these options. The business at $39, and the enterprise is something that is a big commitment and it requires contacting the sales teams. If you go to the e-commerce, you have the Standard at $29, the Plus at $74, the Advanced at $212. And again, all I have to do to get started is to click this button right here. Once you have successfully created your account on Webflow, you would notice easily the design flexibility is really something that is very helpful for people who don't have the technical expertise on designing websites. You have the visual drag and drop website wherein you can add any section here if you want. All right. The interface feels like Photoshop. If you're using Adobe Photoshop or Premiere Pro and maybe Illustrator, you would notice that it kind of like feel that way. All right. It automatically optimizes websites for different devices if you hover now to the platform views. Now, the CMS right here is a built-in function for Webflow, allowing you for dynamic content if you create a collection for blogs, portfolios, and even product listings. All right, users can create custom content, for example, like articles, galleries, and manage them easily here. Now, if you hover back again to the design section, you have the apps right here. We're in these apps is something you would be happy because you can create automation and they would help you boost your website with these third-party tools: Zapier, HubSpot, Typeform, Adobe Express, and there's a lot more. You can also open the marketplace we're in. You can search for tools for managing client handoffs, making it easier for clients to edit their site content after lunch. There's a lot of apps that you can explore here on Webflow. Now, you use Webflow if you are looking for something that you can have full control over design performance, functionality, especially for complex websites and e-commerce stores. All right. Now, on the other hand, though, you use a framers or choose that if you prioritize design flexibility and interactivity with an emphasis on visually stunning websites and ease of use. It's perfect for designers and creatives who don't want to dive deep into coding. All right. But again, Framer and Webflow are both powerful website builders with a focus on design and customization. But again, they differ in their approach, targeting audiences, and capabilities. Thank you so much for watching. We will see you again in the next one.